Welcome students. Now we shall start more problems on the composite functions. Okay. So let y equals log of cos of e power x. We have to find dy by dx. Look at here. So the innermost one, this is cos of e power x. We shall take it as u. U equals cos of e power x. So y becomes log u. So this is u, right? Y is log u. What is the derivative of log u? As I told you, dy by dx is 1 by u into derivative of u. What is u? It is cos e power x. So write 1 by cos e power x into derivative of cos e power x. Again, directly we cannot find the derivative of cos e power x. So we consider this e power x as v. So this becomes d by dx of cos v. So what is the derivative of cos v? So it is, so this is kept as it is. So the derivative of cos v is minus sin v into derivative of v. Right? What is v here? E power x. So it is minus sin e power x into derivative of e power x. Finally, we know that derivative of e power x is e power x. So it is e power x. So this is sin e power x divided by cos e power x is tan e power x. Right? Now look at here. This is a simple problem. So now look at here. Y equals this one. Find dy by dx. So e power x plus e power x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5. Okay. So first one is easy. Dy by dx is e power x derivative is e power x. Second one, to find the derivative of e power x square, it is a simple one. We consider this e power x square as some u. Okay. So e power u derivative is, look at here, e power u into derivative of u. Similarly, third problem, in the third term, e power x cube as u. In the last term, e power x power e x to the power of 5 is taken as u. So the derivative of e power x cube is e power u, it is e power u into derivative of u, e power u into derivative of u, e power u into derivative of u. Finally, e power x derivative is e power x plus x square derivative is 2x, x cube 3x square, x power 4, 4 into x power 4 minus 1, x power 5, 5 into x power 5 minus 1. That is, derivative of x power n is, what is the derivative of x power n? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಆಯ್ತಾ. derivative of x power n is n x to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Next problem ಬರೋಣ. Okay, y equals root of e to the power of root x. Look at here, inside this is the root 1, isn't it? Inside this root we have, this is e to the power of root x. So this we considered as u. Okay. So y becomes root of u. What is the derivative of root x? This must be known everybody. Derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. So the derivative of root u is 1 by 2 root u into derivative of u. ಬರೆಯೋದು ಮರಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. So what is u here? E power root x. So 1 by 2 into root u, that is root of, what is u here? It is e power root x. So this is 1 by 2 root alva, root of 2 1 by 2 root u into derivative of u. U is nothing but e to the power of root x. Again, look at here. We cannot find directly the derivative of e power root x. So we consider v equals, so okay, we consider v equals root x, right? This root x is considered as v. So this is our v. Okay. So dy by dx is 1 by 2 root of e to the power of root x into derivative of e power v. So this is v. What is the derivative of e power v? It is e power v into derivative of v. E power v into derivative of v. So this is e to the power of v is root x into derivative of v. What is v here? V is nothing but root x. So what is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. So this is the right answer. So ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, y equals root of e to the power of root x. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so this is considered as u. Second step alli root x is considered as v. So this is a simple problem. You can do at home, okay? So take it as homework, okay? Apply quotient rule. Numerator is cos x, denominator is log x. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ? Simple problem. You do simple problem. Look at here. Y equals cos of log x plus e power x. This is a very simple problem. Log x plus e power x is considered as u, right? So u is log x plus e power x. Y equals cos u. We all know that cos x derivative is minus sin x. So cos u derivative is minus sin u into derivative of u. What is u here? It is log x plus e power x. So write down minus sin log x plus e power x into derivative of u. It is a very simple one. Log x derivative, we all know that it is 1 by x. E power x derivative is e power x. So it's a very simple problem. So this is minus sin of cos alla idu alva. So this is minus sin of log x plus e power x into 1 by x plus e power x. Okay. Now come to this one. So this is the logarithmic differentiation. Here we use the property of logarithm to find the derivative of certain functions. Okay. Remember here. For example, what is the derivative of, say suppose we all know that derivative of x power 3 is nothing but 3x square, right? So what is this 3 here? This 3 is a rational number, okay? It is a rational number. X power 3, x power 5, x power 6. If power is, so this power is a rational number, right? Power, and the base is a variable. Suppose if you are given d by dx of some x power x, this is not equal to x into x power x, x minus 1. So this is wrong. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ rational number ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? It is n x power n minus 1. So n is a rational number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ base variable, power variable, base variable, power variable, base variable, power variable. So in these types of problems, so we use the one property of logarithm, that is we all know that, look at here, what is the property of log of, say, m to the power of n? So log of m to the power of n is nothing but n e power is yalla. So this comes here. That is n into log m. So this is the property we are going to use to solve the problems now. Come to the first one. So it's important. We get 3 mark question. Okay. So y equals x power x. We have to find divide by dx. You should not write divide by dx as x into x power x minus 1. So this is wrong, right? Okay. First we have to write y equals x power x. Next, taking log on both sides. It's an important concept. In each of the problem, we take log on both sides. So that is an important one. Okay. So that is log y equals log x power x. As I told you, log m power n, this n comes here. Okay. So that is n log m. So in this way, this x comes here. Okay. That is log y equals x into log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Always remember the derivative with respect to x of log y. Important, okay? Log y is 1 by y into dy by dx, because we are differentiating with respect to x here. ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಿಂದೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ, this is ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು implicit function ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. What is the derivative of sin y? So this is nothing but cos y into dy by dx. In a similar way, derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. dy by dx ಬರೆಯೋದು ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು. So this log y derivative is 1 by y into dy by dx. Here simply we use the product rule. So this is the first function, log x is a second function, right? So first x into derivative of log x 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is 1. Will x cancel, so 1 plus log x. So this y is cross multiplied here, dy by dx is y into 1 plus log x. The value of y is x power x into 1 plus log x. So it's a simple problem. In each of these types of problem, this step is important. Okay, taking log on both sides, log y, and also bringing this power to the behind this log x. Come to the second problem now. Y equals x power sin x. Taking log. So log y equals log x power sin x. Always this sin x comes here. Okay. So sin x into log x. Differentiate with respect to x ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Log y derivative is 1 by y into dy by dx. Product rule we have to apply. First function is sin x. Second function is log x. So this is sin x into 1 by x plus log x into cos x, right? So this y is multiplied, cross multiplication, y comes here. The value of y is x power sin x. Come to the third problem. Y equals log x power cos x. Compulsorily we have to take logarithm on both sides. So log y equals log of log x power cos x. Now remember here where that cos x comes here. Look at here. This cos x comes always behind this log. This cos x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Cos x into log of log x. Next differentiate. ಇಲ್ಲಿ before differentiate either derivative. To find the derivative of log x, we consider this log x as u, right? Remember it. We take u as log x. So log y becomes cos x into log u, right? Now differentiate with respect to x. So log y derivative is always 1 by y into dy by dx equals first function is cos x, second function is log x log u. Okay, what is the derivative of log u? 1 by u into derivative of u plus second function log u. U place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಳಿ? We take u as log x, log u into derivative of second function cos x. So cos x into 1 by u, u andre log x, derivative of u, u andre log x alva. Derivative of log x is 1 by x, direct ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ derivative of cos x is minus sin x, completed here. Okay, this is cos x numerator, this is x log x plus into minus sin x into log of log x. Cross multiplication y ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, the value of y is substituted here. Okay, it is also simple problem, but the log of log x derivative should be known. You should not write 1 by x here. Consider this log x as u and take it as a composite function. Log u derivative is as you know, right? Y equals sin x whole power cos x, right? Taking log on both sides, log y equals log of sin x power cos x. This cos x comes behind this log x, so this becomes cos x into log of sin x. To differentiate log of sin x, always this is considered as u, right? So that is, if you take u is equal to sin x, this log y is equal to cos x into log u. Always remember derivative of log u is 1 by u into derivative of u. So differentiate with respect to x. Log y derivative is, what is log y derivative? It is 1 by y into dy by dx equals cos x into derivative of log x. That means here we use the product rule, first function, this is a second function, plus second into derivative of first, cos x. Log u derivative is 1 by u into derivative of u plus log u, u is sin x, into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. What is u here? Sin x. D by dx of u, what is u here? U is nothing but what? Sin x. So what is the derivative of sin x here? It is cos x. That is the answer. Okay. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos x by sin x ಅನ್ನ cot x ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ y value ನ substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. A very simple problem, remember it. Okay, so again y equals log y. log x to the power of log x, right? Taking logarithm, log y equals log of log x power log x. Remember, this log x comes behind here, okay? It become log x into log of log x. To differentiate this, we must consider u, alva. So it is, you take u equals what? Log x, okay? Log y equals log x into log u. So this is a first function, this is a second function. We use the product rule. 1 by y into dy by dx is first into log u derivative. 1 by u into derivative of u plus log u into derivative of first function log x. So u is nothing but what? Log x, 1 by log x. Derivative of u direct log x is 1 by x. So here log u is log x derivative is 1 by x. So you can cancel this log x and log x alva. Can we cancel here? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So this is y cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you can cancel this. 1 by x plus log of log x by x. Come to the next one. It is something different. Look at here. Y equals x power x plus 2 power sin x. Always remember, 99% of the students make mistake here. So y equals x power x plus 2 power sin x anta baritira. Taking log on both sides, what happens? Log y equals log of x power x plus 2 power sin x. So this is log y equals log x power x plus log 2 power sin x anta baritira. So this step is wrong. Remember, this is wrong. Why? So why this is wrong? Remember it. Always remember. If you take logarithm on both sides, log of this plus this, log of m plus n never be equal to log m plus log n. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮ್ದು. Always remember it. Log of m plus n will never be equal to log m plus log n. But the property is like this: log of m into n is log m plus log n. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, you have a plus here. So you apply the logarithm. So you write log of this, so log this plus log this, so 0 mark. First step, you always get 0 mark. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 2 power sin x as v. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ is, second one v. So y becomes u plus v. So differentiate this with respect to x. dy by dx is, u derivative is du by dx, v derivative is dv by dx. Now we have to find what is the value of this question mark. This is question mark. Okay, to find this is an easiest one. First, what is u? You take u equals x power x, right? Taking log on both sides. Y ittu, y badlu u ide ashte illi. Taking log on both sides, what happens now? Log u equals log x power x. This x comes here. Log u equals x log x. Differentiate with respect to x. If this is y, it is 1 by y into dy by dx. As it is u, log u derivative 1 by u into derivative of u. 1 by u into du by dx. Log y idre 1 by y into dy by dx. So now here it is a very simple one. We apply the product rule. First function, second function. So we apply the product rule. So du by dx is cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ u value ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ತರ. Second one ತಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು v. V equals 2 power sin x. If we take log on both sides, log v equals log 2 power sin x. Sin x comes here. sin x into log 2, or you can write log 2. Here we remember product rule beta. So this is a constant. Log 2 is a constant. So log u v derivative is, what is the derivative of log v? ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ log v derivative is ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ 1 by v ಇದು v ಇದು ಓಕೆ 1 by v into dv by dx ಓಕೆ 1 by v into dv by dx log 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ sin x derivative is cos x ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ so dv by dx equals v into log 2 into cos x so what is v here 2 power sin x into log 2 into cos x okay now therefore dy by dx is ಎರಡು add ಮಾಡಿ du by dx already we find out this is simple problem okay uv ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ okay come to second problem very similar okay so ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ remember you have plus here don't take log on both sides ಇಲ್ಲೇ take log taking log ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 so u equals first one v equals second one so y becomes u plus v dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx so find out du to du by dx calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ u consider ಮಾಡಿ u equals log x power x taking log on both sides log u equals log x power x x ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ log ನ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ x into log of log x so ಇದನ್ನ u ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ so this is first function ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ so derivative of log u is 1 by u into du by dx first x into what is the derivative of log u it is 1 by u into derivative of u 1 by u u ಅಂದ್ರೆ log x into derivative of u plus second function ಹಾಗೆ derivative of x is 1 so again what is the derivative of this log x it is 1 by x plus log of log x into 1 can we cancel this x and x here what happens here so this is u cross multiplication u ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ x into ಅದೇ cancel ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ okay so this is you can cancel here okay stay answer so this is the value of what u next b ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ b ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಅದೇ ತರ very similar we taking log v equals so this log x comes here okay so log x you can use the product rule or you can directly find out let us use product rule here log v derivative is 1 by v into dv by dx first into second derivative plus second into first derivative so here okay log x by x plus log x by x 2 log x by x cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ v ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ so v into 2 log x by x v value is x power log x so very simple problem so dy by dx ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ du by dx ಇದಿಷ್ಟು dv by dx ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ okay next y equals sin x power x plus ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ whenever if you have plus first one is u second one is v okay so y is u plus v dy by dx they asked to find dy by dx so du by dx plus dv by dx consider the first u taking log y equals log of sin x power x this x comes behind log x into log of sin x ಇದು u ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಲ್ವಾ so ಯಾವ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು we have to apply the product rule here ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ product rule ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು second function okay log u 1 by u into du by dx x into now look at here log of sin x log u derivative first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ 1 by u into derivative of u plus x derivative is 1 what is the derivative of sin x it is cos x so what is cos x by sin x cot x cot x plus log sin x into x derivative is 1 so cross multiplication u comes here substitute the value of u now what is v here look at here oh v taking log illa illi simple problem ಇದು okay there is no taking log here we consider this function as u so this is u right so it becomes v equals sin inverse u okay if you differentiate with respect to x it is dv by dx is Sin inverse u derivative is 1 by root of 1 minus v square into derivative of v. What is v here? Sorry, u is alva. Okay, 1 by 1 plus u square into derivative of u. What is u here? So we take u as root x. So it is 1 by root of 1 minus u square into derivative of u. What is the derivative of root x? Direct formula 1 by 2 root x. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಉತ್ತರ. ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಅವೆರಡನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನೀವು y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ u ಪ್ಲಸ್ v. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ u, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ v. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಯು ವಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು 10 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? sin x should come here, sin x into log x. ಸೊ ಈ ತರದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಹೇಗೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ನಾಳೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.